Hi, thanks for letting me share this quick video about BASINiQ. I'll dig into the process just a little bit and then share two examples of things that we've seen since Thanksgiving here in Northern California. BASINiQ uses data from high-resolution LiDAR manhole scans to identify and prioritize sources of I&I in a collection system of any size. We often start with a major basin assessment, where we compare each drainage basin in the system to identify which basin is contributing the most wet weather flows. Once we know which basin is the leakiest, we do a target basin assessment. This is where we blanket that leaky basin with sensors. This gives us a resolution of about 800 feet or less, and I think you'll see why that's important. This winter, we're running 11 studies in these systems. Here are just two of the results we've found so far. In this major basin assessment, this manhole shows spikes consistent with a manhole being opened to drain a flooded area, and the city has verified with interviews in the suspected neighborhood that this is exactly what's happening. They now know the specific problem, the scope of the problem, and the next step in reducing flows. This assessment also identified an unknown storm drain cross connection that has now been sealed off. And that was done in about the first 10 days of the study. In this 8,000-foot target basin, we found that the majority of this neighborhood's inflow is coming from this 649-foot section. We've now installed sensors in these three manholes to further pinpoint the location of this source of I&I. I hope this has given you an idea of what's possible now with I&I. In addition to the 11 studies that we're currently running in Northern California, we've conducted about 70 studies from New York to Half Moon Bay over the last year and a half, and I'm happy to go over that data with you, answer any questions, and talk about what this might look like in your system. So let's talk. Thanks.